In the silence of the cosmos, Earth stands out, a living masterpiece. Join us and journey into its heart. Here, deserts mirror the sky, ancient stones whisper secrets, and oceans teem with unseen life. Every corner tells a story, every shadow dances with light. You are about to embark on the journey of a lifetime. Imagine walking on a mirror that stretches to the horizon, or whispering secrets in a city carved from dreams. These are just glimpses of what awaits you in places where nature and history blend into something purely magical. Get ready to step into scenes that feel plucked from a fairy tale, places that defy reality and invite wonder. From landscapes that reflect the sky to ancient ruins that tell tales of glory, this adventure will reveal the world in ways you never thought possible. Prepare to be amazed, transformed, and utterly inspired. Welcome to Surreal Earth, 22 extraordinary places. This is a CoolContrast film,